Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Donduni little learners, preschool concept Ishraq Tehas Ashara TMH Befulunna Marhaba Mifar concept Javes Warang Hikam item Take Penigan Dana Insha Allah. Egotum midam fali fashalani varar riti poyammakum ballawalawa.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umair Ibrahim Nasi. Today I am going to read a poem about all of me. My hands are for clapping, my arms can hug tight, my fingers can snap or can turn out the light. My legs are for jumping, my eyes help me see. This is my body and I love all of we. Jazakallah khairan.